You can make this in just few minutes, so easy and quick. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this cute and little sunflower in just few minutes. You can attach it in your keychain or make a clip from this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new tutorial video you will be notified, and watch this video till the end to learn how to make this cute little sunflower in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. So let's begin our video. For making this sunflower, we need yellow color yarn for sunflower petals, brown color yarn for sunflower base, and green color yarn for the sunflower base in the opposite side, back side, and some fiber to tuck it into your sunflower. And then 2.5 millimeter hook. I'm using 2.5 millimeter hook and scissors to cut the yarns. And then we need a yarn needle to weave the yarn at end. So without delay, let's begin our video. Let's begin with the magic ring. Make a magic ring. Then chain 1, and now we are going to make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Make 6 single crochet, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring, pull it tightly, and then slip stitch in the first stitch of this row. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now chain 1. In row 2 we are going to single crochet increase. Make 2 single crochet in one stitch. There is going to be total of 12 stitches in this row. Make 2 single crochet in one stitch. Just make it just like what I'm doing. Just follow the pattern. After making single crochet increase, at last we are going to slip stitch at the first stitch, just like we did before. Then chain 1. Let's begin row 3. In row 3 we are going to make a single crochet and then single crochet increase. Make 1 single crochet and make 2 single crochet together in the next stitch. This is going to be 1 2 1 2 pattern. 1 single crochet and single crochet increase. There is going to be total of 18 stitches in this row. After completing row 3, now we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch of the row, just like we did before. Now chain 1, and then we are going to make row 4. In row 4 we are going to make 2 single crochet and single crochet increase, 2 single crochet 1 2, and then single crochet increase in the next chain. We are going to follow this pattern all the way around in this row. 2 single crochet and then single crochet increase. After completing row 4, we are going to slip stitch and then chain 1. In row 5, we are going to make 3 single crochet and then 3 single crochet and then single crochet increase. Make 3 single crochet in 3 stitches and then single crochet increase in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern till the end of this row. Make 3 single crochet and then single crochet increase in the next stitch. After completing row 5, we are going to slip stitch at the first stitch and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. We are going to cut the yarn in this row, in this pattern project, and then pull the yarn and tie it. We are going to tie a knot between the magic ring yarn and this yarn to secure it while making the sunflower. So just follow the steps. Now cut the extra yarn, cut it. Our sunflower base part, one part is done. We need total of 2 for the sunflower. I made brown. Just follow the steps and make it in green color. For the back side of the sunflower, the step and the pattern is same. Just make it. Now we are going to attach the yellow color yarn. Just place this part just like I'm doing, and then we are now going to make sunflower petal part. So just take a yellow color yarn and then insert your hook from the both stitches of the both parts, base parts, just like I'm doing, and pull the yellow color yarn. Just pull it, make chain 2, and now we are going to make a double crochet in the next stitches. Double crochet in the next stitch. Make a 1 double crochet just like I'm doing, and then 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 triple crochet, now make 1 triple crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet and then make chain 2. Make chain 2 and then slip stitch in the next stitch from the both side. Slip stitch again. 1 petal is ready. You can see that it is so cute and little. Again make 2 chains, then make double crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet, then again make 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Then again 1 triple crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 triple crochet, Then make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then make chain 2 and then slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to follow this pattern all the way around until you have few stitches left in this base part to insert your fiber into it to make it more attractive and fluffy. So just follow the pattern all the way around until you have few stitches left, and I will show you what to do next. After you have few stitches left, now we are going to insert our fiber inside this base part to make it more fluffy and attractive. So insert it. If you have any kind of fiber or anything, you can tuck it in. I'm using a fiber. You can use wool or anything else. Just tuck it, and again follow the same pattern we did before to make the petals. There is going to be 2 petals making left in this row. Just follow again, make the same as we did before to make the petals. Just make it. After completing the petal part, now we are going to chain 1 and then chain 1, and then now we are going to cut the yarn because we finished making sunflower. Just cut the yarn and then pull it through and tighten it. Our sunflower is ready. Now we are going to hide the tail. I am using a yarn needle to hide the yarn. Just insert your yarn into the yarn needles and hide it just like I'm doing. Just follow the steps and I hide it to make it more extra secure. As you can see, our sunflower is ready. This is so cute and easy to make. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it in just few minutes. So quick and easy process, easy tutorial. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. So if you are a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe and watch another tutorial video on my channel. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye. Love you all.